name's Christian. I'm going to show you how to do the twist spin. First, you'll need one of these pull-up guards. You need to screw it in and everything. And put one handle on, put the other handle on the handle. The other handle, you spin your legs. Put the camera on. Like that. If it's your first time, you do this. Whenever you feel like stopping, you want to spin, you just lift your feet up and pull yourself up. There's also another way you can spin. If you're like all grown up, like 7 or 8 or 9, you'll be able to do this. Babies, not really allowed.
Wow.
But if babies really want to do it, just lift the pull-up bar, bring it down, put the handle here, pick the baby up, you twist the handle, then there's a spin.
And you can just put the baby on there?
Spin the baby?
Yep.